You may easily earn a lot of money ranging from $2 with stunning $4 to $5 for every single click that you make in the blink of an eye. You may make all of your goals come true and even increase that amount as many times as you can imagine with your trusted gadget via your phone or laptop, together with your internet connection. Did I also mention that this is ideal for beginners like you and me, since you can make a ridiculous amount of money? Even if you have no prior knowledge or specialized technical abilities, you may start your adventure with nothing because you are not required to buy anything, making this method completely free. There will never be any fees or payments. Isn't everything incredible? In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate money online in just a few simple steps. Please stick with me to the finish of this video. And don't skip ahead since I'll go through each and every step in great detail. If you're nervous, you could assume this is too good to be true. So I got something for you. Because I will also show you real-life instances of how to proceed. You have nothing to worry about since I will be with you every step of the way. But first, welcome to Money Intelligence, where we show you how to make money online in the simplest way possible. Please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on future videos. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime we release a new video on how to make money online, you will be the first to know and you will be able to start making things happen right away. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Please don't be shy about leaving a comment down below if you have any concerns, questions, or thoughts regarding the video. Let's get back to the video now, shall we now? So first and foremost, I'd like you to go to the website moreniche.com. Just to give you some context, Moreniche is the world's largest health affiliate network, having distributed millions of dollars to hundreds of thousands of people worldwide since 2002. That is correct when speaking of the entire world. This method is widely available to anybody at any time and in any location. As a result, no matter where you are in the globe, you may effortlessly and successfully generate money. Anyway, on their site, click on this one right here that says Brands, and you'll be led to this page. Now on this page, you may learn about the health and wellness businesses that you can promote. As you can see, these brands pay well, convert well, and are of good quality. As a result, services are consolidated, increasing your chances of entering the affiliate program. Now I'd want you to scroll down the page, and you can find out more about these numerous brands right here. With major and popular companies like Black Wolf, Brutal Force, Fan Gold, and many more available on this website, you will advertise them to your friends, family, and coworkers. And after you've done that, you're going to get paid a ridiculous amount of money in commissions from everyone you know. And now for the icing on the cake. This approach is completely free and requires no investment. You only have pure profit, and you don't even have to do anything tough to achieve it. Among these brands, I want you to concentrate on the one that you can see as you scroll down to the bottom of the page, this one right here, which is called Zotrum, since it will pay you a lot of money. Using this really effective method, people all throughout the world are pleased with their earnings, and you have the ability to become one of them. So stay tuned because I'll show you how to make money utilizing this strategy. I'd like you to simply click on the Zotrum right now, and you will be sent to this page, which is already Zotrum's website. As you can see right here on their homepage, you are greeted with these words that suggest you may make a whopping 40% commission on every sale. That's a massive amount of money. So by this point, you're probably wondering how you're going to do it. To begin with, you may join the affiliate program for free. As I already stated, you may begin there. The second step is to promote the many items that Zotrum has to offer, which you can discover right here on their official website. First and foremost, let us first define Zotrum and the kind of items that they provide. According to their website, Zotrum is a professionally proven appetite suppressor that helps people lose weight by reducing hunger and cravings. Because it is clinically validated, it even surpasses prescription medications in studies, allowing Zotrum users to lose weight significantly quicker. And if you go down to the bottom, you'll find these 3 bundles that they provide right here. They have a 30-day supply for $50, a 2-month supply, and a 1-month giveaway, all for $50. Finally, a 3-month supply with a complimentary 2-month supply costs $150. Let me clarify everything up for you before you continue. You will not buy any services or anything here or anywhere else in this video because I simply want to help you generate more money online. Instead of purchasing, you will be selling and promoting these 3 bundles in order to get others to do so. With its extremely effective items as displayed on their website and a rapid and free delivery function, Zotrim is a highly fascinating brand that is incredibly simple to promote. Let me tell you that the free delivery option is a huge motivator for customers to buy their stuff since it only signifies one thing. With a staggering 40% commission income, you may promote this product to everyone you know, no matter where they live. Your profits are essentially endless, and you may keep receiving this amount indefinitely. You may also use this page to learn all you need to know about the brand overview, advertising resources, brand languages, sales, tracking and recording promotional conditions, and payment methods and schedules. And, just in time, I'll tell you all about the payment plan. So they will follow a weekly payout schedule, which is every 1st and 15th of the month, and they provide a diverse range of payment ways in numerous currencies, emphasizing its accessibility and simplicity. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's return to the video. So at this point, I'll teach you how to begin your quest and join the affiliate program. Simply click on the orange icon that says Join More Niches to advertise Zotrim. After clicking on that, you will be sent to this page where you will fill out all of the necessary information to create an account. First, they'll ask you which partner type you want to create an account for, and I'd like you to choose an affiliate. After that, it's very self-explanatory because you're simply going to fill out your first name, last name, email address, and password. After that, simply check the boxes to the right to agree to the terms and conditions as well as the network regulations, and you're done. Once you have your Zotrim account, I want you to go to FindaForumnet, which is the most popular online resource for public forums. Now navigate to the categories area, and you can see the many categories that have related forums. Because you'll be promoting Zotrim, which is really a wellness product, I'd like you to click on dieting and weight reduction because that's what the product is all about. You'll now make some contacts and networks by participating in these public weight loss and dieting forums. Because these forums are made up of people from all over the world, there are hundreds of thousands of users that participate in these forums right here. As a result, I want you to participate in as many forums as possible in order to broaden your coverage and reach more individuals on the platform. Now I want you to pay careful attention because this is where you will put some genuine money-making measures into action. Are you excited? So, strap up and pay close attention. As I previously stated, you will participate in as many forums as possible in order to build additional contacts. Now I want you to create a free account by simply clicking on a forum. For example, you may sign up for an account by creating a username and filling out all of the fields offered, and then you'll create your password. And you now have your own account on our topic. You may do this as many times as you want since you'll be joining as many forums as possible. You now have your account and your affiliate link. All that remains is to generate money, and you may wonder how you might do so. Everything is as simple as promised. Simply go to a forum and submit a few comments with a few recommendations on how individuals may effortlessly lose weight. And in your tab, you'll send them to Zotrim, where they may see their items and possibly purchase some packages. That's the end of it. It's been Money Intelligence. Subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.